There's a legend out here in these parts about a chair so comfortable, even heroes laid down their burdens and chose to sit instead of stand. They say it rests upon a stone somewhere deep in the wild, just waiting for the one who's worthy. Many have gone looking, following old maps, listening to whispers carry on the wind, but these trails will test a man. Dusty roads, river crossings, and something watching from the hillside, up in the rocks. Then one day, when hope was running dry, there it was, the chair in the stone, forged for the wanderer, made for the worn. And in that moment, comfort was conquered. The legend lived on.
We wanted to just share with you our review of the Kilos high back chair, the GrandPeak. Kilos Gear sent us this for free and they wanted us to do a review. They're not paying us. They haven't told us what to say. They just wanted an honest review. And so we're just going to give our honest review of the Kilos high back chair. So let's get into it. Number one, let me talk about comfort. One thing that separates these kind of chairs from other chairs we've had, because I bought my wife one similar to these. It wasn't a high back chair. So when you sat in it, you kind of was half your back was just hanging there. These things, for comfort wise, the high back chair is everything. It's amazing how relaxing these chairs are. Next on our list of things about these chairs, they're durable. They used high strength aluminum. They're extremely strong, and that's pretty important. Another thing with the comfort is this pillow. They use Velcro, and you can see that you can adjust this pillow any way you want. So, and you can literally do it while you're sitting in it. They didn't stop at comfort. They really thought of everything when they made this chair. You could tell it was made by campers for campers. The cool thing is you can even adjust the legs so you can lower the back and raise the front so you're leaning even further back. And you can even take the legs off and sit on the ground. So if you're on the beach, you just want to chill out on the beach, you could just pull the legs completely off. That's super cool. So it's very comfortable. And I'd say it's probably more comfortable than most chairs I've ever had. So the next thing we want to talk about, and I'll let my wife share this.
I do love the size of this chair. It packs up very small, fits in this bag. I love to hike, and we just climbed this hill, and I carried both chairs because it's so small and light. You can put it in your car and even forget you have it there till you need it.
Another aspect of these chairs is what they provide on the chair right when you buy it. And once again, you could tell they really thought about campers. They gave you a cup holder over here. It'll hold a normal size can. And then you have a pocket below you with a zipper so you can store things in it. And then on the left side is another pocket that you can put your cell phone in. All right, friends, so here's the bottom line. The Kilos high back chair has comfort, durability, practicality, all rolled into one. And it is packed up nice and tight, ready to take with you anywhere. And I'm going to tell you how much I love this chair. When they sent me this chair to do a review, I only used it like once or twice, and I was like, I got to get one for my wife. So I actually purchased one myself for Rachel for her birthday. So, and I think she was pretty happy about that. So we hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you like this chair, if you like the review, we've got an affiliate link, and it's in our description. And if you click on that and purchase a chair, it just helps us a little bit. But once again, let me just share with you, Kilos Gear did not pay us. We're not sponsored by them, but we do have an affiliate link. So you can click on that and purchase a chair, and it will help support us just a little bit and keep us going on our adventures. So thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you later.